Brad Pitt's hair journey is almost as legendary as his acting career. From the slick back look in Ocean's 11 to the flowing locks of Legends of the Fall, the guy has pretty much nailed every style in the book. But if there's one hairstyle that stands out as his signature look, it's the longer textured crop he rocked in Fight Club. It's effortlessly cool, rugged, and screams, "I woke up like this" in the best way possible. In this video, we're going to break down how you can get that exact style. But first, what is the textured crop hairstyle? The longer textured crop is all about balance. Short enough to be low maintenance, but long enough to show off some texture and movement. It's a versatile cut that gives you that edgy, just rolled out of bed look without actually looking like you slept through your alarm. Remember that classic scene in Fight Club where Tyler Durden is delivering his famous "the first rule of Fight Club" speech?
You have to fight.
Well, his hair looks effortlessly cool and perfectly unkempt. It oozes confidence and masculinity. But get this hairstyle wrong and you might end up looking more like Brad Pitt's character in Burn After Reading. So here's what you need to know. When you're sitting in the barber's chair, the key is to be specific. Ask for a longer texture crop with about 2 to 3 inches of length on top. You want the sides and back slightly shorter but not too tight. Think of a slightly overgrown taper. This will give you that softer, more natural look, just like Brad in Fight Club. Make sure to tell your barber you want plenty of texture on top so they know to use scissors instead of clippers for a more choppy, undone finish. And here's a pro tip. If you really want to nail that Brad Pitt look, pay attention to the sideburns. They're a crucial part of the style, adding that extra bit of rugged charm. Make sure your sideburns are already grown out before your appointment so your barber has something to work with. And don't be afraid to bring a photo of reference, better safe than sorry. The beauty of this style is that it works with your natural hair texture, whether it's straight, wavy, or curly, giving you that perfectly imperfect vibe. Plus, it's great for adding volume and making thin hair look fuller. Once cut, styling the longer texture crop is as easy as it gets. Start with towel-dried hair and work in clay. This will give you that lived-in textured look without too much shine. To get more volume and texture, which is key for this hairstyle, blow dry your hair on a low heat setting while scrunching it up with your hands. Then once dry, apply texture powder and scrunch again. The beauty of using texture powder with this style is it creates a completely natural look with no shine and can be restyled at will throughout the day. The best part about this hairstyle is the more imperfect it looks, the better. This style is all about embracing that slightly messy, rugged charm, so toss your comb aside and let your fingers do the work. So there we have it. Brad Pitt's iconic longer textured crop from the Fight Club is within your reach. If you want to make sure your barber nails the look, grab a few photos of his best scenes from the movie and bring them with you. And with the right cut, a bit of product, and a carefree, confident attitude like Brad, you'll be rocking that effortlessly cool, rugged style in no time. Just remember the key to pulling this off is embracing the texture and keeping it just the right amount of messy. All products mentioned can be found in the description below.